Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
morning.
Good morning. Please take out your reasoning book, everyone. This is your reasoning period.
Okay. Start taking.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Open page
So today
number.
we will do reasoning.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Open page number
Sir, 1 minute. I'm taking my book.
57.
Okay, sir. So page number 57.
Yeah, 59 actually. Page number
Oh.
59.
Sir, we have to make notebook for also reasoning.
Yes, you can do in math notebook also if you want.
So 59 is done.
Page number 59, we have to do water images. We have done mirror images
So we
already.
have done water images also.
We have the water images also.
Actually, this chapter is coming in your syllabus. I have discussed, maybe in school it might have been discussed, but in
Sir,
online
offline.
classes, it was only mirror images was coming in the first UT number 2. Now water
Good morning,
images
sir.
will also come in your half yearlies. Water images part will also come. So we will do water images in online classes also. Okay. So I will discuss the first question, question number 13 on page number 59.
I'm not able to see the screen.
Beta, there is some network issue today. You can rejoin the
Can I
meeting.
rejoin?
Yes. Rejoin the meeting. Those who are having any network issue. So in question number 13, good morning. We have to find the water image of the word family.
Sir,
So,
in between, I was disconnected.
okay. So first you, how to do these type of questions. I'm telling you the method of doing it. First you write down the word in your copy. Okay. In this, if you do it in this way, you will never do any mistakes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Page number 59. Then
So
some
this
book
is
questions
your,
are different.
yes, in my book, it is question number 13. I don't know what is the question number in your book. In some book, I think it is
Sir, in
question number
13,
16 or 17, right?
yes, sir. Sir, in my sir, it is written family. 13 question.
In some books, it is question number 16 or 17. I don't know what is it. Family. It may be question number 16 or 17 in your book. Okay. In my book, it is question number 13. So how to do it, everyone? Please pay attention. Keep your cameras on. Start your video.
Due to network problem, I cannot open.
Okay. So word family. First you write letter F. You just have to do upside down. In case of mirror images, sorry, water images, you write each letter upside down. That means inverted. How to do it? First see the letter F. F को उल्टा कर दो बस. Okay. Write it like this. Have you ever noticed in suppose you have gone to some lake or some this type of thing, a pond maybe, when you see reflection of a particular object in the lake or pond, you see that the image is inverted. That means upside down. Have you ever noticed it?
So where?
कहीं पे भी, कोई भी लेक या कोई भी पॉन्ड हो, आपने कभी नोटिस किया है ऐसा? Okay. So this is F. Now let's do it for the letter A also. See, this is also inverted. Then for letter M also, it will become W, M.
Sir, if we rotate our notebook,
I
so
will remain
it
the
will
same.
the water image.
Not like that. So this is your answer. Now you match which option is the correct one. Match it with the
B.
particular option.
The C is the correct.
The answer is C, not B. Look at the position of L. In option B, the position of L is wrong.
Yes, sir. C.
C is the right answer. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, you all will do question number 2. Sorry, next question. इसके बाद वाला जो भी I think
14.
in my book it is question 14, and in your book I don't know what is it. So give your answer
Sir,
in the
we can.
chat box.
Okay, sir.
Everyone, you all will
Sir,
give your answer in the
chat
chat box,
box.
not on the mic. I have enabled
Sir,
it. Everyone give your answer of question next question in the chat box. Write down the question number also. In my book it is question number 14. Okay. I'm waiting for your answers. Everyone has not given the answer till now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, I have given the answer in chat box.
very good, beta. I have seen your answer. Rest of you, please give your answer.
Sir, given.
Siddharth has given, Aditya Pathak has given, Sushant has given, Ayushi Sharma, Atharv Saxena, Yash Srivastav, Jasmine, Utkarsh, Daksh. You all have not given the answer till now. What are you doing? Still making the figure? Daksh has left the meeting. Okay, question 14. One more last question for which I will be doing on the screen. Rest of the questions I will expect that you all will do yourself. Okay. Frog. We have to draw the mirror image, sorry, water image of the word frog. So first of all, F will be made like this. Then R will be made like this. O will not be changed. Then the letter G. G is a little difficult to draw. Let's try. Okay, so it will be something like this. So this is your letter G. This is frog. It is matching with the, again with the option C. That means that Siddharth, Sushant and Aditya Pathak have given the correct answer. The rest of you have not given the answer at all. Ayushi, Atharv Saxena, what is the reason? Jasmine, Utkarsh, Hammad, what is the reason you all have not given your answer?
In my book, questions are different.
Beta, find out this question. This question is there in your book. The question number may be different. Dekho, it is question 16 or 17, family. Question 16, 17, 18, which question number is it? 16. So do the
Sir.
next one, frog. Then do the next one, nuclear. All of you, give your answer in the chat box of the word nuclear. Next one, give the answer in the chat box.
Sir, I have sent it on group, my answer.
Keep your videos on, everyone.
My answer is correct. I have sent it on group. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, my answer is correct. I have sent it on group.
Beta, group. Send it in the chat box.
Yes, sir. Sir, because in chat box I cannot write the word that
Or
is the
you don't
answer.
have to write the word. Just choose the correct option. I will understand. Why are you
Okay,
writing
sir.
the word? Just choose the correct option. It will be easy for me to check all the answers if they are at the one place.
So my answer is right.
correct answer. Daksh. Which
Okay,
option?
sir. Okay, sir.
Choose the correct option. Daksh.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, C. C.
C option is the right one. Siddharth and Utkarsh, correct your answer. In option D, they have not made the letter R correctly. Option D is wrong. C is the right one. Understood? Siddharth and Utkarsh, you have
Yes, sir.
given D as the answer. C is the correct answer. Okay.
Sir, can you explain 17 one number?
Sorry? Yes, do the next one. Nuclear. Okay. Answer of nuclear. I'm telling you the answer of the word nuclear. Beta,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, I have said
Okay.
the answer of word
Sorry.
nuclear.
Siddharth and Utkarsh, you have given this answer for the word nuclear. D.
Yes, sir.
Acha, okay,
Sir, I
okay.
have gone
I
for
thought that you
nuclear. You
gave the
said
answer for the
17.
word frog. Sorry. Let me check for the word nuclear.
Sir, I was.
Sir, A.
Okay,
A will
okay,
be the
beta.
answer.
Utkarsh, let me check. A is absolutely wrong. Nuclear. The answer is
Sir, from B and D option,
option
one option will be correct.
option D is absolutely right for the word nuclear. Option D. Option D is the right answer, not B. B is wrong because letter L is drawn wrong in option B. L गलत बनाया है देखिए option B में. Okay. So option D is the right one. Look at the options very carefully. Otherwise, you will
Yes,
do
sir.
mistakes. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Question number
Sir, E will
16.
be remain. Sir, E will be remain same.
Yes, E will remain same. There will be no change in the letter E. Okay, do the next one.
Okay,
Recruit.
sir.
Recruit. Give your answer in the chat box. Recruit. The word is recruit. Give your answer in the
Okay, sir.
chat box. In my book, it is question number 16.
Sir, me too.
Recruit. Ducks, keep your mic off. Yes, Sushant.
Sir, I have said the answer of word recruit.
Okay, very good, but I will check.
Sir, me too. Sir, I've sent the correct option.
Okay. Let everyone finish.
It is very okay, sir. Sir, someone the mic is open.
Keep your mics off, everyone. Keep your mics off, beta.
Sir, Utkarsh mic is open.
Okay, anyone left to give the answer? Siddharth, Garg, Aditya Pathak, Sushant,
Sir, I
and
have given.
Utkarsh, you have not given the answer.
Sir, given.
Sir, I have given.
No, beta, Utkarsh has given now. Okay.
Sir, I have also given.
Okay, I have seen your answer. Utkarsh has not given. Utkarsh has given just now. Okay, rest of you, some of you are still not giving the answer. I am naming these students. What do you want me to do? Ayushi, Atharv, Jasmine, and Yash Srivastav not giving the answers at all. Alvira also. Alvira has just joined the meeting. Is there anything wrong? All of you, those who are not giving the answer? Recruit word, the answer is
D.
option D is absolutely right. Option D, recruit. Next one.
Sir, I have said D only.
In my book, it is question 17. I am writing the number here.
Sir,
3. This
sir,
is a
3,
number
3,
you
2,
have to
4.
find. Yes, you have to find the water image of this number. Okay. Write down the number in your copy first and then draw it. Draw the water image and then see the options. If you do it in this way, you will never do mistakes.
Okay, sir. Sir, sent answer on chat box.
दक्ष बेटा बहुत ज्यादा बोलते हो तुम, थोड़ा कम बोला करो. Anyone left? Sushant?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have given the answer.
Yes, बेटा Sushant has seen. मैं वो उन बच्चों के नाम बता रहा हूँ, those who have given. Sushant has given, Daksh has given, Aditya Pathak has given, Utkarsh has given. Siddharth Pratap, Ayushi, Jasmine, Athar, Valvira. Siddharth Pratap has left the meeting. So he has given now.
No, sir, I am there.
Sorry. Okay, so I am drawing the mirror image, sorry, water image on the board. See this? Okay, it may not be that perfect, but try to understand what I am trying to do. So this is the answer. This is matching with option A only. Option A is the right answer. So let me see who all have given the correct answer. Siddharth correct answer, Utkarsh correct answer, Aditya Pathak correct answer, Daksh correct, not correct.
Sir, I have not.
Sushant correct. Daksh, there is a mistake in your. Do the 18th
Sir,
one.
3 will be okay, sir.
Do the next one.
Sir, send answer in chat box.
Okay, so most of you have given the answer now. Utkarsh, Siddharth, Daksh,
जी सर
Sushant, and Aditya Pathak have
sir.
given the answer. Yes.
सर मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो जा रहा था सर, बार सर अब हो गया मेरा कनेक्ट। सर किस क्वेश्चन पे हैं सर हम?
Question 18 from my book. The number is 70856. We have to find the water image of this number 70856. Let's speak in English. 70856. Option B is the right answer. Option B.
सर
Utkarsh correct.
ऑप्शन बी।
Yes. Utkarsh correct. Siddharth correct. Daksh wrong. Sushant correct. Aditya Pathak correct.
Sir, sir, C will be the correct.
Option B is the correct one. Do you want me to draw it on the board? Question 18. Daksh Gangwar, you are doing a lot of mistakes. I think you are doing it in a hurry. Draw it in your copy and then do it. Otherwise, you will keep on making mistakes. Understood, Daksh? See this? Just invert the letter. Right? Make the inverted image of the letter. 708 will look like same. 5. Look at the letter 5 very carefully. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Don't change the position from left to right. Left to right नहीं करना है. It will remain the same. Okay. If this, can you see this top of letter 5? This is going towards the right side. देख रहे हैं आप? ये वाला जो है ये right में जा रहा है. तो in the water image also it will go in the right side only, in the right direction only. Are you getting my point, everyone? What I'm trying to say?
यस सर।
Don't change the position from left to right or right to left. Just make the image inverted upside down. Okay. So for 6, it will be something like this. So this is your answer. This is option number B. Okay.
सर 6 will become 9।
Not 9. 6 will not become 9. This is not 9. 9 is like this.
Please said
9 is like this. Or if you're making like this, it will look like this. It is not 9.
yes sir, yes।
Okay, everyone start doing the next question. Question number 19. Start doing it. The figure is like this. Something like this. Do this one. I don't know what is the question number from your book, but it is something like this. There is a square and inside the square there is a design made. This is the type of design in question number 19.
सर ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट।
Okay, ऐसा कुछ डिजाइन है. Okay, so do this one, all of you. Next period I only have in your class
Sir, it's the math period.
No, it is class teacher period. CT period.
Sir, what we will do in that?
Yes, sir.
Sit with your
So
diaries
what
in
we will
that
do in
period. First of all, you all
Okay,
sit with
sir.
your diary, and
Okay.
after I will tell you in that period only, not in this period. Give your answer of the 19th one in the chat box. Yes, all of you. So your answer of 19th one. One or two are still left to give the answer.
Excuse me,
19th
sir.
one. Yes, beta.
Sir, I have sent the answer of question 19.
Yes, beta. I have seen your answer. Answer of 19th one is option B. Option B is the right answer. Utkarsh correct. Aditya Pathak correct. Hammad correct. Sushant correct. Daksh not given the answer. And Siddharth, why have you not given the answer? Do the next one. 20th one. Keep your videos on.